Hello guys, welcome back to the Communicators. This is Pulkit Maheshwari, and in this video I have come up with a very exciting news for 2022 batch. That is, TCS Ninja hiring is started now. So if you are new to this channel, kindly see the content of the channel, you will definitely love it. As apart from off-campus videos, we give placement guidance videos also. So without wasting much time, let's get started. So guys, this is the application portal of TCS, and the link of this portal I will give you in the description. You can apply it from there. Here I will tell you what is the job profile, the important dates, the application procedure, eligibility criteria, and finally the test pattern. So here you can see that the hiring is for TCS Ninja profile and the registration end date is 15 August, so do not miss it and apply before this date. The test date will be 30th of August and interview dates will be given post test results. So this is the button for the registration, and moving further, here they have written that TCS Ninja hiring year of passing 2022. So 2022 candidates are allowed to participate in this, and we are hiring BE, BTech, ME, MTech, MCA and MSc students for 2022 batch. And coming to the application procedure, the step 1 is log into your TCS Next Step portal, which you can access from here. Register and apply for TCS Ninja hiring process, and if you are a registered user, kindly log in and proceed to complete the application, and if you are a new user, you have to register using this IT field. The third step is mode of test, in center or remote, and then click on apply. Confirm your status, track your application, and the status should reflect as applied for drive. Now coming to the important points, you must have all your original academic documents readily available. Communication related to the test will be communicated to you by TCS Iron. Test mode, in center or remote, once selected at the time of apply for drive, cannot be changed later. TCS does not send any job offers, any hiring related communications from unofficial emails. And also TCS doesn't ask students to deposit any money. This is a very important point. TCS is not associated with any external agency to conduct any interviews or make offers of employment on its behalf. Now coming to the test eligibility, you can see that the percentage criteria is 60% or 6 CGPA in 10th, 12th and also in diploma or graduation and post-graduation. Backlogs, you should not have more than one active backlog. Kindly note this point. Coming to the year gap, not more than 24 months gap is allowed. So till 2 years year gap is allowed. Course time, only full-time courses will be considered. Work experience, up to 2 years of work experience are eligible to apply for this position. Age criteria is 18 to 28 years, and course and discipline UG/PG engineering courses from BE, BTech, ME, MTech, MCA, MSc, which I have already told you above, from any specification offered by university, college, are only eligible to apply. Now coming to the test pattern, kindly note this very carefully. The test will be conducted in two parts. The first will be cognitive skills and the second one will be programming. In cognitive skills, there will be 3 sections: numerical ability, verbal ability and reasoning ability of 40, 30 and 50 marks respectively, which comes to a total of 120 minutes. The part B will be programming, which consists of programming logic and hands-on coding, which will be of 15 and 45 minutes respectively, making a total of 60 minutes. Total test duration will be 180 minutes. So I have already made a video about how to prepare for aptitude and reasoning. You can see that video for your reference. So I believe this is a very good opportunity for 2022 batch to get placed in this hiring season. So apply for this right now, and all the very best. Also, if you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe to the channel for regular off-campus job updates and also for placement guidance. And if you have any queries, you can reach out to us in the comment section. All the very best.